Introducing the KitchenAid Pro Line Series Electric Kettle. Inspired by the streamlined modern movement, the dome design and dual-wall construction combine elegance with performance. Slide the variable temperature control level to your desired setting. LED lights indicate the exact temperature. Set on 100 degrees Celsius for full flavor extraction of your black and herbal teas. A little less for French press coffee. Or lower heat for green tea. The temperature gauge maintains precise readings even when the kettle is removed from the base, and the dual-wall construction keeps the water hotter longer. Luxury and performance for your kitchen. The KitchenAid Pro Line Series.